Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate the grid lines on a digital system. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the monitor. Now once you see an image, you're going to click on the menu button right here. You're going to have 5 icons and you're going to want to move this one. The first one is going to be yellow, right? So you're going to want to move that all the way to here where you have the screwdriver and the wrench by clicking on this arrow button right there. Right, then we're going to push enter, which is this double box thing right here. And then we're going to go down with the arrows to the little icon that kind of looks like grid lines, and we're going to push the enter button again, like that. Then we're going to use the left and right arrows to move the on or off switch, right? So you want to move the grid lines to on, so you want the on to be the yellow color, and then we're going to push enter. And then we're going to push menu again, and there you go. Now you have the grid lines. To deactivate the grid lines, we're going to click on menu again. We're going to go all the way back to the wrench right here. We're going to click on the enter button. We're going to go down in the arrows to the grid lines, push the enter button, and then we're going to move the yellow on to a yellow off, right? So it's going to turn to, the on is going to turn white, and the yellow, the off is going to turn yellow. Then we're going to push enter again, menu. That's it, we're done. Thank you and have a great day.